Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and if you're like me, you have elderly parents who are getting in and out of the shower and they want some stability. So we got these chrome grab bars for the shower, which is awesome. We're going to do a quick unboxing a little later, but a full review. They love this thing because it gives them stability when they shower. To mount these things, you have to find the studs. They give you three screws on each side, and you basically have to find the stud. We basically used a masonry drill bit to drill through the tile and then basically mount it directly to the stud, and we silicone caulked it so that it's waterproof. The knurled grip is really good, and we love that. The parents love that as well. Anyways, it comes in multiple sizes. This one is a 32-inch one. There's also like an 18-inch one. There's also a 24-inch one. But the neat thing is that you have to mount it to the two studs for the maximum amount of strength for this bar. But overall, the build quality is really good. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box and unbox this thing. So taking a look at it, it actually is pretty neat because each of the ends have plugs on it so that it's watertight on that side. Again, I would probably get a tube of silicone so that when you can waterproof this thing so the water doesn't go into your studs. But the grip is really great. The chrome is great, and it's all welded to that base, which is really cool. Now, another thing is that 3 holes on each side, so it goes right into the stud, and it comes with screws. So it comes with like these 2-inch, water resistant screws, I'm assuming. But yeah, they're probably stainless screws. Anyways, there's the instructions. Definitely follow the mounting instructions that's in the guide, or get a professional help to install this thing. But it was pretty straightforward and easy because we just basically used a mounting bit, found the studs, and then basically drilled into it. Put silicone and mount it right into the studs of the wall. Very cool. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.